Hello audience, S12's back. I'm sure you saw it in the last video. Some things need to be done to it. Get it ready for drift events even though I can't really afford it. I have tires, but I can't really afford the actual entry fee right now, but I want this car to be ready anyways. It sat for a little bit. I'm kind of disappointed because it has flat spots on the tires. I don't know if that goes away. I hope it does because I can't afford another set of fronts, like sticky fronts. Got this lug stud back here. It's on the spacer. That has to be replaced, or I gotta grind it down and put one on there. I think that's pretty much it. Needs like a fuel filter. It doesn't need it, but it was recommended by Bad Monkey Drifting. Matt over there. Right now I'm just gonna fix the sticker. Put some clear packing tape over it, and because I really like that junk sticker. But I'm gonna do that and we'll talk later. See how stripped it is? What I was thinking, I saw Motion Auto TV and a couple other people. They like took a grinder to it around and then they just went on it. I wonder if that'll work. Also, I gotta put on the front license plate. It's registered and shit, but don't want no tickets. It's fixed, I guess. I don't know why, but I'm cleaning the engine bay. Watch too many Chris Fix videos. So, you gotta take off, there's a bolt over there, see it? Then there's a bunch of pins, like normal door cards. You gotta kind of just yank those out. Then you gotta take the cover, the faceplate cover off of this thing. It's kind of scary, because old 80s plastic, but you just kind of like tug on it with some force and boom, it pops off. There's a lock. What I'm interested in looking at is the door mechanism. Because on the passenger side door, the glass does not, it wobbles it's like wobbles around and doesn't stay on the track. So I kind of want to just look at the assembly and compare what it's supposed to look like. I'll report back to you my findings and if I can get this door card back on without destroying it. It's back together. That was pretty much pointless. At least now I know how to put the door card on and take it off. I don't know what's wrong with the door. It seems like there's a rubber on this side. It's like making it so it's like slightly moved. The window pane, the glass pane is like slightly moved over to the right, so it's not seated in this thing. So I'm gonna have to talk to somebody that knows a little bit more than me. Take the S12 to drop off today's eBay shipment. If I hadn't told you guys before, that's kind of what we're doing for a living now. eBay, lol. So I noticed the brake on the Celica is getting kind of squishy. And I look down here. What do you know? It's fucking leaky. Well, let's get to the bottom of this. I was wrong. It's not the brakes. It's the shock. Hold on, let's see. See? The brakes right there. Shock is leaking. The other one on the other side. Kind of just starting to show the same sign, so. Alrighty. So, the Celica has had this slop in its shifter for a while, and we got a bushing kit from W58Bushings.com, and we're hopefully be installing that right now. But I want to show you guys the slop. Check this out. So, it's a neutral. That's a neutral. There's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse, but neutral. In gear. That's in gear. It's so bad. Isn't first? That's in gear. So I gotta take all this shit off so I can get in there. There's 4 bolts. Pop this off. On the bottom of that there's a bushing. There's an O-ring kind of thing, like an O-ring, and then on the bottom of that there's like a bushing sandwich with 2 metal washer bits around it, so I gotta rip that out because the bushing material in between is probably squished, and replace it with this metal kit that I gotta pull out of somewhere because I don't know exactly where it is. We just moved, so I'm gonna have to find it. I'll let you know how that goes. Found it. W58 Bushings. Oh shit. That's it. So check it out. It's one little like brass looking fitting bushing. See, there's like little things. There's my cat. That's Pazula. And then there's like the little O-ring. It's like kind of like a polyurethane kind of thing. That's what it feels like. And then this I think goes on the bottom of the actual shifter itself. Alright, let's get this thing ripped apart. Screw, 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 screw. Whoop. This whole thing fucking comes up. Honestly, don't know what this does, and we've never used it before, but I'm gonna carefully unhook it. Ew, gross. Whatever. Anyways, we got this thing off. I realized I could probably adjust the e-brake, because it doesn't really lock up. So I wonder if I adjust this, if that will help. Ooh, look at that. I wonder what that's from. Little screw down there. What are you doing down there? Dang, bro, you okay? There's a piece of glass right there. What the fuck? Look at all the hair. Eeeeee. Looking a lot different. I got this whole thing off. Wiring harness still attached. I don't really want to fuck with that. It's gonna be fucking horrible to put back. But yeah, all off. That's all unattached, and we have access to the shifter now. See where we go from here. Alright, this is the part where I'm gonna need some fucking gloves. I'm definitely gonna need gloves for this. Things are kind of interesting here. What's funny is there was literally 2 bolts holding this on. I freaking dropped one, and the other one was hand tight. Shit. Look at, and there's literally no bushing on the bottom of this fucking thing. What the fuck? W58 transmissions are pretty good. This bushing can be completely gone and it still work, or is it bad because it failed to begin with? I don't know. I'm gonna pull some stuff out and we'll go. I guess let's start taking out the old shit. Clean this surface off. It's crazy that there's no gasket. I mean, no whatchamacallit. Okay, so first take out this. You won't really be able to see it, but I'll show you once it's out. It's like a little ring. There it is. Well, it's like a little rubber ring. It's fucking greasy as shit. It's in pretty good shape, but it's not what we want. Okay, now further in there, there's a ring that's pretty fucking solid. Okay, so I guess I gotta pry that out. Okay. BRB? Alright, that was super easy. Okay, you can't really see mine. There was supposed to be like another ring of metal and rubber in there, and there was only a little bit of rubber. The metal ring was completely gone, and there was like a tiny bit of rubber left. So, cleaned up the edges a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of this, they said it was recommended to use epoxy or JB Weld. This is what I got. This is what I'm using. If I'm a complete idiot for doing this, please let me know. I'm gonna use it anyways. I hope it works. I guess I'll try to get some footage so I can show you exactly what I did. Okay, put Loctite on the bottom of the little brass piece in there. Let's let it focus. Yeah, you see it in there? So that's in there now. Now we're gonna put the collar around there. I'll pull it out real quick. So the trick to putting this thing that I pretty much destroyed in was you gotta put it in and then rotate it around and then seat it with there's like little cutouts right here on the bushing, and you're gonna have to like put it in there and rotate it and then sit it in. Some people had to like sand the edges, the ring around the bushing itself to make it fit because it's that snug. I already put the bottom part of the bushing right there on that, so it's kind of just like button everything back up together. Okay, so I got the shifter back on, all the bushings are in place. Now I'm trying to get the freaking nut in there right where it's all back together. I adjusted the e-brake a little bit. I don't know what the fuck I was doing with that. I'll have to mess with it later. Yeah, everything's back in place. This feels way better. That's all the play, and you can feel it like all notchy. So there's first, way less play. Second, way less play. Third, fourth, fifth, and I can't get in the reverse for some reason. Oh, there it goes. Katie, give it a rip so she can see what it's like. That was really fun. Katie's trying it out.
That feels way different. It actually like crunches in the gear.
I like your language. I like the way you're putting it. Just like shift as fast as you can, you know what I mean?
Oh.
That's a power shift.
It's weird because third used to be like feel higher up, and so I'm not sure if it's all the way in gear, you know?
Yeah.
I don't want to let go of the clutch because I'm like, is it far up enough?
You're feeling
it is, yeah.
That's cool.
It's just where my hand ends up.
Feel good to drive this car again?
Yeah. Sounds like great. It's one of the but I can't play with it though.
Yeah, it doesn't have that play anymore.
Because that's so important to you. Fifth doesn't feel as far over either.
You have to like really the gears are less exaggerated.
Well, I'd be like almost hitting your leg to get into fifth, you know?
Exactly. 20 in second.
It feels so much tighter.
Yeah. Kind of like a weird humming going on on deceleration. Not sure what that is.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if that was extra. I don't remember
Dump it.
doing that.
Well, I'll call it a success. What do you say?
Yeah, it feels good.
I'm glad.
A lot better. But it's going to take getting used to because I'm always used to it being
So
bad.
sloppy and bad. Nothing like some late night Toyota 4-cylinder. Well, I'm gonna call the video right here, guys. We'll see you later. It was a good video, I guess. I don't know. I don't really remember what the hell happened. I just know that we fixed this. Peace. I don't know if you can even see us.